Hello and welcome to the digital edition of Kitchen Garden for March. We're out filming lots of videos for you, which I hope you'll enjoy. We've got a lot of great features in the magazine this month. Lovely feature on strawberries, which is got to be everybody's favourite soft fruit, I think, just about. I'm saying kohlrabi, which is an unusual member of the cabbage family, which really ought to be more widely grown. And we've also got a really great feature from Sue Stickland on salads, so how you can grow salads all year round, and she also mentions some more unusual varieties that you might like to try. And what else have we got, Tony?
Well, we've got a feature from Rob Smith on broad beans. He's what he calls the Marmite vegetable. I actually love broad beans, but not everyone's favourite. But if you like broad beans, good feature on that. We've also got a feature on potato blight, which can be devastating. And ways, that you can maybe prevent it or lessen the effect from Ben Van Heem's. And also our product review this month is all about gloves, so lots of different garden gloves to suit your needs.
Yeah, so all that and lots more, so we do hope you enjoy it.